Hello, Primary 2. I hope you are all fine and in good health. In this video, we are going to explore money. Money is used to pay for goods we buy and services we get. Money takes the form of coins and banknotes. Each country has its own currency. Like the currency of Egypt is Egyptian pound. So in Egypt, we used Egyptian pound to buy. In the United States of America, for example, we use dollars as its currency. Here we have one Egyptian pound. We often use LE to stand for the word Egyptian pound. So we have one LE or one Egyptian pound. We also have 5 LE or 5 Egyptian pound. We have 10 LE or 10 Egyptian pound. We have 20 LE or 20 Egyptian pound. And that one is 50 LE or 50 Egyptian pound. We have 100 LE or 100 Egyptian pound. And 200 LE or 200 Egyptian pound. So as you see here, we have 7 banknote denominations. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. We have 7 banknote denominations that we use only these 7 banknote denominations to buy and also to create any amount of money. For example, if I want to show 7 Egyptian pound, do I have 7 Egyptian pound? Do I have one paper of 7 pound as a banknote denomination? No, I don't have one paper of 7 pound as a banknote denomination. I have only 1 pound, 5 pound, 10 pound, 20 pound, 50 pound, 100 and 200 Egyptian pound. I have only these 7 banknote denominations. So I have to use one or more of these denominations to create 7 Egyptian pound. So I'm going to use, 5 Egyptian pound plus one more, that means 6 Egyptian pound, and one more, that means I have 7 Egyptian pound now. So I did use one or more of these denominations to create 7 Egyptian pound. 5 plus 1 equals 7. Now I have 7 Egyptian pound. Let's practice some more. Circle the groups of banknotes that show 50 Egyptian pound. Let's count the money in the first group. In the first group, I have 20 plus 10, that means 30, and 10, 40, and 5, 45, and 5 more, that means 50. Yes, the first group shows a banknote 50 Egyptian pound. So on this group, I have banknotes that shows 50 Egyptian pound. Let's count the other group. In the second group, I have 20 and 10, 30, and 10 more, 40, and 5, 45. In the second group, I have only 45. So this group of banknotes doesn't show 50 Egyptian pound. Let's count the banknotes in the third group. I'm gonna skip count by 10 if I saw 10. So I have 10, 20, 30. 30 and 5, 35. And 5, 40. And 5, 45. And 5, 50. 50 Egyptian pound. So in the third group, I have banknotes or a group of banknotes that show 50 Egyptian pound. Estimate, then circle what you can buy with the given number. Here, if you have 20 Egyptian pound in your wallet and you want to buy something, in your estimation, what this thing would be? Can I buy a bicycle for 20 Egyptian pound? I don't think so. In my estimation, the bicycle price more than 20 Egyptian pound. So I cannot buy a bicycle for 20 Egyptian pound. What about an eraser? I think the price of an eraser is less than 20 Egyptian pound. And I think the price of an ice cream cone equal to 20 Egyptian pound. Let's move to the next group. If I have 1 Egyptian pound, can I buy a book for 1 Egyptian pound? Can I buy a popcorn for 1 Egyptian pound? Or I can buy a pencil for 1 Egyptian pound? Yes, in my estimation, a book and a popcorn, their prices will be more than 1 Egyptian pound. So I think a pencil price will be 1 Egyptian pound. If I have 100 Egyptian pound, can I buy pizza, lollipop, or a balloon? I think I cannot. I think the price of a balloon and a lollipop will be less than 100 Egyptian pound. But in my estimation, the price of a pizza will be equal to 100 Egyptian pound. What if I have 50 Egyptian pound in my wallet? Can I buy cupcake, stuffed animal, or a ruler? I think the price of a ruler and a cupcake will be less than 50 Egyptian pound. And I think the price of a stuffed animal or stuffed toy will be equal to 50 Egyptian pound. So I'm gonna circle the stuffed toy. Looks so cute. Here, draw a happy face if you can buy the item and draw sad face if you cannot buy the item. If your budget is 900 Egyptian pound. First, what is the meaning of a budget? A budget is a plan for how much money you can spend. For example, if you want to buy something, you need to compare the price of this thing with your budget, the money in your wallet. If the price of this item less than your budget, that means you can buy the item. But if the price of the item is more than your budget, you cannot buy this item because it's over your budget. And if you want to buy more than one item, add their prices together to make sure you don't go over your budget. Like here, if your budget is 900 Egyptian pound and you want to buy a bicycle for 850 Egyptian pound, is it over your budget or under your budget? Actually, 850 is less than 900. That means the price of the bicycle is less than my budget. So I can buy the bicycle because it is under my budget. Yes, I'm super happy because I'm gonna buy it. Okay, what if my budget is 150 Egyptian pound and I want to buy a pole for 152 Egyptian pound? Is it over your budget or under your budget? Actually, 152, the price of the bowl is bigger than 150, bigger than my budget. So, no, I cannot buy the bowl because it is over my budget. What if my budget is 20 Egyptian pound and I want to buy a popcorn for 17 Egyptian pound? Is it over my budget or under my budget? Yes, 17, the price of the popcorn, is less than 20, less than my budget. That means it is under my budget. So, yes, I can buy the popcorn. Oh, it was really fun to learn about money and how to spend it. Thank you for watching. Bye.